Okay, so the first question is should the internet be a basic human right? What do you guys think?
I definitely think that it should be considered a human right just because, like, everyone relies on technology and, like, the internet has helped, just move so many, like, has helped, like, advance so much of, like, the economy and just, like, where the government sits. Like, what do you guys think about that?
I read somewhere that, like, the way the internet contributes to the economic opportunity is in developing countries, just a 10% increase in the internet will add like a 1.3 to 2.5 increase in the GDP. So, like, it can be that impactful, I guess.
And also, it's like,
For me,
sorry.
I think that the only reason I don't think it should be a human right is because it's hard to make it accessible for everyone. It's the same reason that water isn't a human right for everyone. It should be, but it's just hard to get it to everyone.
Be like an obstacle to overcome, but I think in the long run it would help not only economically, but it would also help like military forces and like just like securities for like overall like
it would help.
national security.
I definitely do believe that the internet should be a human right. And Alec, addressing your bit about not being able for it to be accessible to everyone, let's say it got made into a utility. That basically means everybody in the U.S. would be able to have internet at the same.
The project things that could change everything.
Yeah, that it currently might happen. And besides that, our reliance on it. I mean, I can honestly say you give me coordinates on a map, I'm fortunate enough that I probably could find my way there, but I'm really relying on the GPS on my phone at this point, which is very much run off the internet.
I feel like the internet is just so beneficial for everybody, so it should be like everybody should have the same like availability for it because it is so helpful, and it shouldn't just be like that. Like people that can afford it get the benefits of it. I don't know.
Kind of a pain.
I think,
but I just thought of what the Declaration of Independence would have looked like if the internet was a thing and human right. Life would be the pursuit of happiness in the internet.
I mean, when all like technology wasn't really a thing back then, like
it's a tangent.
It's definitely like I mean it was the thing, but it's like evolved so much. So if the Declaration was like written today, it would definitely be a part of it.
Yeah,
I think uncensored would definitely be a thing. I'm not sure the internet in general would be.
Yeah.
Just blatantly the internet. I think that like just not only like the people that would be getting the internet would benefit, obviously, because they could benefit economically and like their education and everything, but it's going to make it so much easier for like the developed worlds to reach those that are developing. So like it's going to benefit everyone. Like I read somewhere else that was like when when natural disasters happen, like if there's like better technology there already, like we're going to be able to send resources faster and better and not waste so much, and like everything could be more efficient, and like there's like so many scenarios that it could be applied to, I guess.
Yeah, I could definitely see how that would help.
So we should go to the next question, which is the digital divide. So how can technology bridge the digital divide?
I mean, technology is based around the digital divide is based on technology, so the only way to fix it is with more technology.
Unfortunately,
so that's like the Project Loon and like
I actually disagree with that.
Really?
Because the digital divide is not going to be bridged by more technology because people create technology. So in order to
That's true.
inspire people to create better technology there, as well as in what we would consider a first world nation like Japan, Korea, America. Currently, that's where a lot of technology is invented and created. And as long as that's a fact, they will always be out ahead, and there will always be some sort of divide between them and the developing countries.
I mean, I would say that it's not necessarily like who's creating it or how much is being created, but more so like the fact that technology is being creative and like more and more, well, that's gonna happen, but we just need to like help spread the technology that is being created and like not just leave it in the developed countries and like first world countries. I think the main issue here is like developing countries are they just don't have like the like supplies, or they just don't have
the resources,
not like status.
Nope.
They don't have the resources to like get to technology because they don't have like resources to like manage or support themselves. So obviously the first step is to like help countries be like more stable, and then like progress with like giving them and like help them get more technology, because those two go hand in hand. You like stabilize the country and you help them kind of gain their power.
A little in depth on it.
Well,
resources. That's a huge bit of that, because you look at a processor, the registers in it, which are basically the fastest flash memory units we can create. In other words, the fastest RAM we have, involve gold to create. If that gives you an idea of why they're so expensive and how hard they are to create. A lot of other resources.
Okay. Good.